Hola y bienvenidos. Welcome back to your favorite channel to learn Spanish easily and effectively. Today's lesson will dive into greetings and farewells. These are essential for starting conversations and leaving a great impression. By the end of this video, you'll sound more natural when greeting and saying goodbye in Spanish. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start with some formal greetings. Saludos formales. Formal greetings. Buenos días. Good morning. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Buenas noches. Good evening or night. Use this in professional settings or with people you don't know well. For example, Hola, buenos días. ¿Cómo está usted? Can I use buenas instead of buenos días? Yes. In some countries, buenas is an informal way to greet someone at any time of the day. Now, let's over some informal greetings. Saludos informales. Informal greetings. Hola. Hi. Hello. ¿Qué tal? How is it going? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Use this with friends, family, or people your age. Hola, ¿qué tal? What is the difference between ¿qué tal and ¿cómo estás? ¿Qué tal is more casual and versatile, and ¿cómo estás is slightly more specific. For example, Hola, ¿cómo estás? Sigo enfermo. Now it's time for a little game. Let's practice greetings. Match the Spanish greeting with the English translation. Buenos días. Good morning. ¿Qué tal? How is it going? Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Let's go to formal farewells. Despedidas formales. Formal farewells. Un placer. My pleasure. Hasta luego. See you later. Hasta mañana. See you tomorrow. Use this in formal or neutral contexts. For example, gracias por su tiempo. Hasta luego. Now, let's see some informal farewells. Despedidas informales. Informal farewells. Nos vemos. See you. Adiós. Bye. Cuídate. Take care. Use this with friends or in casual settings. For example, nos vemos mañana. Cuídate. Now your turn. Let's practice some farewells. Cuídate. Take care. Hasta mañana. See you tomorrow. Hasta luego. See you later. Listen to these phrases, greeting or farewell. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Excelente. Saludo. Greeting. Nos vemos. Nos vemos. Bien hecho. Despedida. Farewell. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Excelente. Saludo. Greeting. That's it for today's lesson. Now, you know how to greet someone in Spanish like a native. Remember, practice this every day to build confidence. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share with someone who wants to learn Spanish. Adiós y cuídate.